Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So, today I'm telling about you the most beautiful and unique garden decor ideas. So, first of all, there are many beautiful and unique garden decor ideas that can transform your garden space into a stunning oasis. Here are few ideas to inspire you. So, vertical garden. Create a beautiful living wall by growing plant on a vertical surface such as a trellis or a palette. This is a great way to add greenery to a small space. The number two is water features. A fountain, ponds, or even a simple bird bath can attach a calming and peaceful element to your garden. The sound of running water can be especially soothing. Garden art, sculpture, wind, and other art pieces can add a unique and personal touch to your garden. Choose pieces that reflect your personal style and taste. So, lighting. Outdoor lighting can create a magical atmosphere in your garden, especially at the night. Hang string lights, place lanterns, or install spotlights to highlight to your favorite plant and feature. Number 5 is garden setting. Create a cozy setting area where you can relax and enjoy your garden. Choose comfortable chairs or benches and add cushions and blankets for extra comfort. Number 6 is pathways. Add a meandering path through your garden using stones, bricks, or gravel. This will not only make your garden more functional but also add a charming and rustic touch. So, mirror can reflect light and create the illusion of more space in your garden. Hang a large mirror on a fence or wall to add depth and interest. So, remember the most beautiful and unique garden decor ideas are those that reflect your personal style and taste. So,